Machine translation in natural language processing. AI intermediate level. Introduction. Human languages are diverse, and communication across languages can be challenging. Machine translation. Mount is a key application of artificial intelligence that enables computers to automatically translate text or speech from one language to another. It is widely used in global communication, travel and tourism, international business, education, content localization. Modern machine translation systems use natural language processing, NLP, and deep learning to produce accurate and natural translations. What is machine translation? Machine translation is the process of automatically converting text from one language, source language, to another, target language. In simple terms, machine translation equals translating language using AI. Example concept. Source text means AI model means translated text. Example. Hello. English means bonjour. French. Why machine translation is important. Machine translation is important because it removes language barriers, enables global communication, supports international businesses, helps access information in different languages, saves time and cost compared to human translation. Example concept. Language barrier means AI translation means global understanding. Types of machine translation. Machine translation has evolved through several approaches. 1. Rule-based machine translation, RBMT, uses predefined linguistic rules and dictionaries. Example concept. Grammar rules plus dictionary means translation. Characteristics. Requires expert knowledge, limited flexibility, struggles with complex sentences. 2. Statistical machine translation, SMT, uses probability and statistics from bilingual text data. Example concept. Parallel corpus means probability means translation. Characteristics. Learns from data, better than rule-based systems. Still limited in fluency. 3. Neural machine translation, NMT, uses deep learning models to translate text. Example concept. Sentence means neural network means translated sentence. Characteristics. Produces more natural translations. Understands context better. Widely used today. How machine translation works. The general workflow is input sentence, source language, down pointing arrow, text pre-processing, down pointing arrow, encoding, understanding meaning, down pointing arrow, decoding, generating translation, down pointing arrow, output sentence, target language, encoder-decoder architecture. Modern machine translation uses encoder-decoder models. Example concept. Input sentence means encoder means context vector means decoder means translated sentence. Encoder reads the input sentence, converts it into a numerical representation. Decoder generates the translated sentence, uses the encoded information. Attention mechanism. Attention improves translation quality by focusing on relevant words. Example concept. Important words means higher attention means better translation. Example. I am eating an apple. The model focuses on specific words while translating each part. Transformer models. Modern machine translation systems use transformers. Example concept. Input means transformer means translation. Popular models. BERT, understanding. GPT, generation. Transformer-based translation systems. Transformers provide better context understanding, parallel processing, higher accuracy. Example Python code. Using a translation library. From transformers import pipeline. Translator equals pipeline. Translation underscore n underscore to underscore fr. Result equals translator. Hello. How are you? Quote. Print. Result. This code translates English text into French using a pre-trained model. Real-world applications of machine translation. Machine translation is widely used across industries. Online translation tools. Google Translate, Microsoft Translator. Social media. Automatic translation of posts and comments. E-commerce. Translating product descriptions for global customers. Customer support. Multilingual support systems. Education. Access to learning materials in different languages. Travel. Real-time translation for communication. Advantages of machine translation. Advantages include fast and scalable. Reduces cost compared to human translation. Supports multiple languages. Improves global accessibility. Continuously improving with AI. Example concept. AI translation means faster global communication. Challenges of machine translation. Machine translation still faces challenges. 1. Context understanding. Words may have multiple meanings. 2. Idioms and expressions. Example. It's raining cats and dogs. Literal translation may be incorrect. 3. Grammar differences. Languages have different structures. 4. Cultural nuances. Meaning can depend on cultural context. 5. Low resource languages. Limited training data reduces accuracy. Machine translation versus human translation. Machine translation. Fast. Scalable. Cost-effective. Human translation. More accurate for complex content. Understands culture and nuance. Future of machine translation. Future trends include real-time speech translation, multilingual AI models, improved context understanding, better handling of low-resource languages, integration with AR/VR devices. Example concept. Advanced AI means seamless global communication. Concepts learned from machine translation. Understanding machine translation helps learners understand. Checkmark how AI processes language across languages. Checkmark how encoder-decoder models work. Checkmark how transformers improve NLP tasks. Checkmark how deep learning is applied to real-world problems. Checkmark how language data is used in AI systems. Simple definition. Machine translation. The use of artificial intelligence to automatically translate text from one language to another. Final summary. Machine translation is a powerful application of natural language processing that enables automatic translation between languages. It has evolved from rule-based systems to advanced neural models using transformers. Modern machine translation systems can produce accurate and natural translations, making global communication easier. Despite challenges such as context and cultural nuances, AI continues to improve translation quality. Machine translation is essential for building global AI systems and multilingual applications.